Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Android Studio completely from your Windows system. So guys, follow my step properly. I'm sure you will be able to remove Android Studio. So you can see I have Android Studio in my PC and I'm going to uninstall it completely. So there are few files which is to be deleted. So let's follow the step. First of all, you can start control panel and here you can see programs. Click on this uninstall and now guys select your Android Studio and click on this uninstall button. Okay, so now here it will ask you permission, just click on yes, and now here it is asking me some message. So here I'm going to check mark it and I'm going to click on next button and I'm going to click on uninstall. So again it is asking me something, so I will click on yes button. So my uninstallation process started and guys it is done. Okay, so just click on this close button. Now my Android Studio is uninstalled, but there are some files of Android Studio which has to be deleted manually. So just follow my steps. So what you have to do, just start run. So you can press Window plus R and here type person, user profile, and again person. So user profile is one word, just type this and hit OK button guys. And now here you can see there is one folder .gradle, so we need to delete this folder. So I'm just selecting this folder and I'm clicking on this delete button. Okay, so it will delete this folder. Also guys, you may get what Android Studio project folder also, you can delete that, but if you want to make backup of your project, so you can copy that folder and then you can delete. Okay, so this is done. Now after this we will be going to one more folder, that is local app data. So again hit Window plus R and here type person, local app data, and again person. So guys, now here you can see we have Android folder, so just select this and delete. You know what will be there in this folder? SDK. So it will delete SDK. Otherwise if you don't delete this and if you install new Android Studio, then you are going to get error message that SDK is already existing. So this if you delete this folder, your SDK will be deleted. After that we will be deleting what? Emulator also. So this is in GB, so it will take a while. So guys, done. So now after deleting this folder, we will be going to Google folder, and in this here you can see we have one more folder related to Android Studio. Select it and delete it. Okay, so you can see lots of files are there. So when you uninstall from control panel, all these are not deleted, so we have to do some manual process. So go to this Google and select this folder and delete it. Okay, so this is done. Now the next step, we have to go to what? C:\program files. So whatever program you install, they go to program files, and here guys you need to delete this folder, Android folder also. So just select it and delete. Okay, so I'm deleting my Android folder. Done. Okay, so everything is done guys. Now I will again search Android Studio from search box, and guys here you can see I'm clicking on this Android Studio, but I'm getting this message that searching or not found, right? So I don't want this to come. So what I'll do, I'll again search Android Studio and I'm going to right click over here and I'm going to select open file location, and guys I'm going to delete from here also. So after this let's search again Android Studio. So I'm searching it again, but I could not find Android Studio now. So that means guys your Android Studio is completely deleted. So I hope guys by following my video you are able to successfully uninstall Android Studio. So guys, if really my video has helped you, do hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, I'm sharing lots of PDF notes related to computer science IT interview questions on my Telegram channel. I have given all my social media link in my description box. You can follow me. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care and keep learning guys.